Well, the reason is because this works all the time. So, with all the amazing opportunities out there, why in the world are we still using the same method that worked 3 years ago? Why are we still doing it now? You know, why haven't we gone into like all these different things that people are promoting, people are offering? For example, automations. Why are we still choosing to go the organic route versus the auto or maybe the paid, right? Why do we choose to go organic, right? Well, the reason is because this works all the time. And the reason why we actually started organic is because we had no money when we first started to work this out. When you're talking about paid advertising, when you're talking about automations, when you're talking about scaling your business, that's when you can start thinking about, okay, let me put investments and put them into that side of the business. When it comes to organic, you can literally implement the strategies that we teach on and what we implement for our clients today to actually receive results today, like instantly, right? I'm gonna give you a specific number that you can actually implement today, right? To actually receive the results no later than today. If you commit to reaching out to 17 people per day, you will have 500 people in a month. If you divide 500 divided by 30 days, you'll receive a number that's close to 17 people. So what happens when we reach out to 500 people per month? It results to about $100 to $1,000, this range, paid, right? We have control of how we choose to communicate with our audience through organic. Since we don't use any automations and all of our team members are real human beings, right? We're able to see and identify who we choose to work with, who we want to work with, who we want to actually use this strategy with and grow their business because we love what they do. They're using an empowering message to connect with others. They have skill sets that others can benefit from. That's who we choose to work with. With an automation, I can't tell. I can't see your profile. I just have to dump my resources and hope and wish that it comes back as a real human being, right? Versus organic, I can see the 17 people that I reach out to, look at them, and then say, I'm committed to making you a client. I'm committed to serving you in the best way possible. So if you're committed to your business, if you're committed to your growth, I highly suggest that you give us a call. So I'll put my number right there. It's actually exclusive for you. Text it, call it. It's available to you. It's a direct line. So text it. I'll actually give you a call directly after. Talk to you soon.